Hello, bit of a different one today from my usual sort of stuff, but my channel is called Accoutrement, and these kind of vacuum bags really have changed the way I travel and can be useful even for EDC in certain things as well. And the changeable weather we've been having, I've been using one of these to compress down a couple of jackets and or bits for my kids for just in case. And these are really good, and you can get these vacuum bags from Amazon. I've recently bought some from Temu as well, and there's dozens of different ones and they're quite cheap. You can get mixed packets, multi-packs, whatever, and these are just really useful for any kind of travel. So just wanted to have a look at how I've been using these and how dead useful I think they are. Okay, so here there's an example, just an example, 5 days worth of clothes here, 5 socks, 5 underwear, 5 tops, just t-shirts, and my little down jacket there. So if I was going on a 5-day trip, I could manage to jam all that gear into what I'd typically travel with, which is just an Eastpak padded packer, because these are light, relatively cheap, durable, don't stand out. So yeah, I could squeeze all that in there, but it would be pretty much full. I think capacity on these is 24 litres. But yeah, I'm going to just try and see if I can squeeze all this into a vacuum bag and how much that's going to compress down. So, let's just have a look at these ones. What were these ones? I think that might be a bit of a squeeze in that. These are classed as the small size ones, 60 centimetres by 40 centimetres. Let's see if we can squeeze it in. Try and get these in first. So that's kind of 5 t-shirts and 5 pairs of underwear. Let's just bang them in there. Okay, they fit absolutely fine. Let's get the jacket in as well. This is just a down jacket, so it'll fold up really small anyway. But can I get it on top of there? I could get it on top of there, but I'm just going to whack it in there. And I'm going to whack 5 pairs of socks on top. So that'll do, that's kind of in there. Then you've got to seal the bag up, and these are like a Ziploc bag type of thing. You press those down, press the seal down. Now all these bags do come with these little plastic things that are designed to help you seal the Ziploc bag there. So let's just try it. Pull that along, and I always tend to do it a couple of times to make sure you've got a good seal, which is pretty much essential. So let's just zoom that along there a couple of times. I'm also going to double check it with my hands. There we go. Okay, that's sealed, all that stuff's in there, and then this is the vacuum port part. These cheap bags all come with the same kind of arrangement as this, and almost all these sets come with one of these pumps included, so you can shove that in your bag with you if you want, and you use this to pump the air out. Works, takes a bit of an effort, but it does work. But I'm a bit lazy for that, and I do like gadgets, so I've got one of these little pumps, and again, there are dozens of these type of bags you can buy. There are dozens of these type of little portable mini pumps that you can buy. I did get this one from Temu, and it was less than a tenner. It comes with various different types of attachments, and you just have to find one that fits over there. And even if you can't get a kind of an airtight seal, you can normally get one that fits enough to be able to suction the air out. And most of these will either blow air in or they'll suck air out if you just reverse it. This one's actually got a light built into it as well. But yeah, we want it for the pump, so we need to find an attachment that fits over that. That's probably the best fit for that one. I'll try and jam that on there. Attach it to your pump. And click the button and let the pump do the work. You help it along by pushing down on it while it's vacuuming. And that's basically it. Just takes a few seconds and you've vacuumed all the air out of your week's supply of clothes. And that's like a solid little lump of clothing there. And I think that's an excellent little system to have if you're traveling anywhere really, and you're into one bag travel or whatnot. There's a week's worth of 5 days worth of clothes in there, fresh underwear, fresh top every day. Squeeze what you want in, a down jacket in there as well. There's my padded packer. and it just slides down into there, no problem. Use whatever bag you want, but I've got a ton of room left in there for my toiletries, other bits and bobs, whatever you need. Zipper up, ready to go. Tons of room left in there, look. I need more stuff. I've got all that expansion room in there. So yeah, just wanted to talk about these vacuum bags. I combine it with a little pump. Obviously, if you're repacking all your stuff back into there, you've got to take this pump with you. It was a tenner. It weighs 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. Excellent. A great way to pack and carry your stuff. Vacuum bags and a little mini pump. What do you reckon, guys?